Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is an ladder. So this design is very fantastic and very simple. So I request you all, dear guys, to see what's to the end and learn something from here. And you should watch this video carefully so that you can learn from here something. So now I'm gonna talk today. I would like to, first of all, what should I do? I just to make all the things and adjust to little bit small and keep to the counter side. I'm keeping here. So what to do first of all? What to do? I need just to go to the line segment tool, select all here by pressing this down over here. Yes. What should I? I just select this color and a little bit bigger. I think that's fine. And copy this one by pressing Alt key on the keyboard. Yes, I think that's fine. Fantastic. Select all the things and group by pressing like that. Oh, yes, I group already. And just select this one and go over here like that. Okay, that's fine. So again, I go over here and it just copy. You can do like that. Go to the edit, copy, again go here, paste in front. See? Now go to the here over here, transform, and it just type here 45 degree, 45. Not like that, 45, 45 degree. Okay, press the enter. See how happens. It's magic. And go to the Panda tool. See so many tools over here, but I need the rectangle tool. I just add here. Okay, I think that's fine. And just go over here and just group all the things. Okay, and select all the things over here and put this center. Yes, get a center. Now just again go over here and go to the transform, reflect, the copy. You should be more careful about it. Must unit the vertical and click the preview and copy. See exactly what I wanted. So I need now select this one, this ungroup, because I need that thing. I needed to set up exact, and over here I need to think this. Okay, so I think this fine. But now rather than select all the things and go over here and just put it there and like that, there. Okay, this fine. I think select the thing by pressing Shift key and out them. Click all the things and delete and go over here for the time. Okay, system problem. I will manage all the things, no problem. How is problem? Just little bit bigger and go over here and I need to just delete one of the things, but and then, yeah, okay, write it down. See, what is to happen? Okay, fine. And now just smaller over here and keep things middle side. Okay, put it middle side. So select all the things and you go over here and stroke, close the stroke color, and I need this again. Go to the edit, copy, and paste on. Now just change the color and go through over here. I select this color. Now I need to just go to the over here and I think select one and one. That'll be, yes, that's fine. I think go over here, and I think select one and that one, and again, okay, and select this one and that one. Okay, now select all the things. I think almost done, the guys. So again, go over here and select all the things, and just go to the shape builder tool and there, and over here, same, and it just now delete unnecessary things by pressing Alt key. I think better. So this is what I wanted. I think this is the almost done, and I need to just change the color over here. Yes, and go over here, change the color, and go over here. Go to the eyedropper tool. Over here, you see how easy and what a fantastic magic of the Illustrator tool. See, same, no any difference between this little logo design. So these are all here, guys. So stay tuned me, and thanks for watching.